And here is the engine. Now, it does say Toyota on it, but like I said before, BMW does part share with Toyota, specifically for the Supra. So BMW decided to give Toyota the B58 to put in their beautiful Supras. This was a great move on BMW and Toyota's part in general, just because of the car community. The car community knows so well that the B58 is one of BMW's strongest and most reliable engines. And for Toyota to put it in this car was a great move because it makes a great amount of power, especially for a small sporty car like this. So it allows great drivability and handling and great power delivery. Overall, it is a very strong and reliable engine and certainly belongs in this Toyota Supra.